In this segment, we will review the operating procedure for our large Versafoam kits. For this demonstration, we will use Versafoam System 50. The Versafoam System 50 kit is packaged in 2 cartons. One carton contains the A component, a dispensing gun attached to 2 15-foot hoses, a packet containing the operating instructions, 10 mixing nozzles, nitrile gloves, a packet of petroleum jelly, and a wrench. The other carton contains the B component. Carefully cut the cable ties and uncoil the hoses. Straighten them as much as possible. Remove the valve covers and attach the hose marked A to the blue A component. Turn the collar nut down by hand and tighten with the wrench. Repeat the procedure with the B component hose. Make sure both nuts are secure. On the B component tank, the white one, you will find a plastic temperature strip with the colors blue, green, and red. It will show you if the chemicals are at the proper temperature range to produce quality foam. The strip should indicate green. If it indicates blue, the chemicals are too cold. Warm them with a heater or keep them in room temperature for a minimum of 24 hours until the strip indicates green. Red means the chemicals are too warm. Place the chemicals in a tub of cold water until the strip indicates green. Or, if you have time, move the kit into an air-conditioned area for 24 hours or until the strip indicates green. If you warm or cool the chemicals quickly by artificial means, shake the tanks for a minute or 2 before you use the kit to be sure that the chemical temperature is uniform. When the temperature is right, you are ready to dispense foam. When you're ready to start, be sure to put on the proper protective equipment, respirator, safety goggles, and protective clothing. For more information, please review the section on safety equipment. Open the tank valves slowly at first to make sure there are no leaks. If there are no leaks, open the valves the rest of the way. You will see the chemicals flowing through the hoses. The A component coming from the blue tank is dark in color. The B component coming from the white tank is lighter in color. Close the lids. Before you start your application, make sure everything is functioning properly by making a test shot into a wastebasket. Disengage the safety. Pull the trigger and dispense at full pressure to make sure the chemical is feeding from both tanks and is reacting properly to make good quality foam. Take the gun. Place a small amount of petroleum jelly around the O-ring that surrounds the gun face. Take a mixing nozzle from the packet and install it on the gun. Line up the locking arms with the slots on the gun body and push the nozzle firmly in place. A clicking sound means the nozzle is secure. Good quality foam has the consistency of shaving cream and is light beige in color. The foam begins to expand after a few seconds and dries to the touch in less than a minute. If the foam looks different from this or behaves differently, review the section on troubleshooting to learn how to remedy the situation. Continue to dispense foam until you have finished the immediate area you want to cover. The A and B chemicals combine in the nozzle to produce your foam. Remember, if you stop dispensing for more than 30 seconds, the foam will solidify and you will have to replace the nozzle. 10 nozzles are included in every kit. The Versafoam System 50 kit yields approximately 50 cubic feet of foam, or 600 square feet at a depth of 1 inch.